Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is packed with inspiration. We're diving into 20 creative small business ideas that are perfect for anyone who enjoys working with their hands, getting crafty, or simply wants to turn a fun hobby into a profitable side hustle. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to add another income stream, these ideas are easy to start, affordable, and full of personality. So grab a notebook and let's get straight into it. 1. Beaded flower making. Beaded flowers are not only beautiful, but they also last forever. No watering required. All you need are some seed beads, floral wire, and basic tools to start creating stunning bouquets. These make gorgeous gifts or home decor. You can also offer custom color combos for events like weddings or baby showers. Share your creations on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, and you'll start attracting custom orders in no time. Hand-painted keychains. Start with blank keychains made of wood, plastic, or acrylic. Then bring them to life using acrylic paint, paint pens, or even resin. You can make personalized name tags, zodiac signs, or quote designs. These are affordable, easy to ship, and sell well on Etsy, local markets, or as add-on items in gift boxes. 3. Screen printing. This one's great if you love graphic design or want to collaborate with local brands. Start with a beginner-friendly screen printing kit and practice on t-shirts, tote bags, or even pillowcases. As your skills grow, you can offer services for events, businesses, or custom merch. This business is scalable and can even turn into a full production setup. 4th, DIY wooden crafts. If you enjoy woodworking or want to try something new, start by making small home decor items like shelves, wooden signs, coasters, or candle holders. You can use hand tools at first, then invest in power tools as you expand. These pieces are great for rustic or minimalist decor lovers, and you can sell them at craft markets or partner with interior design shops. 5th, embroidered art. Embroidery is calming and timeless. Create unique wall hangings, personalized clothing, or monogrammed bags using just a hoop, needle, and thread. You can sell custom name hoops for baby nurseries or mini embroidery kits for others to try. Add aesthetic packaging and post your work on TikTok or Instagram Reels for more reach. 6th, rope basket making. Rope baskets are stylish, practical, and in demand. Using cotton rope and a sewing machine or hot glue, you can create baskets in all shapes and sizes for storage or decoration. They're eco-friendly, trendy, and great for home organization lovers. Share how-to videos or styling tips to boost your sales. 7. Resin jewelry. Resin is so fun to work with. You can create earrings, rings, pendants, or charms using glitter, dried flowers, gold flakes, or mini figurines. All you need are molds, resin, and a UV lamp or drying space. People love watching the resin pouring process, so post satisfying videos to grow fast. 8. Handmade greeting cards. Greeting cards are always needed. Birthdays, weddings, holidays, you name it. Design your own using calligraphy, stamping, embossing, or digital prints. Offer bulk orders for businesses or event planners. Bundle your cards in themes and make sure to take eye-catching product photos. 9. Beeswax candle making. Beeswax candles are all natural, smell amazing, and burn clean. Start by melting beeswax and mixing in essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. You can pour them into jars or molds and add dried flowers or crystals for aesthetic appeal. These do great at farmers markets or online gift shops. 10th, custom paper bags. With more businesses ditching plastic, there's a real need for eco-friendly packaging. You can design and create personalized paper bags for small brands, events, or party favors. All you need is quality craft paper, glue, and a cutting tool. You could even offer custom stamping with logos. 11th, DIY wall art. If you have an eye for design, create original wall art like canvas paintings, quote boards, abstract pieces, or digital prints. Focus on trending styles like minimalism, pastel art, or boho themes. These pieces are perfect for people decorating their homes or looking for gifts. 12th, shell jewelry. Whether you live near the beach or buy shells online, you can turn them into beautiful earrings, necklaces, or anklets. This boho beachy vibe is always in style, especially in summer. Package them with cute coastal branding and list them on Etsy, Instagram, or boutique pop-ups. 13th, tote bag design. Reusable tote bags are practical and trendy. You can sew your own or buy blanks and decorate them with iron-on designs or screen printing. Offer custom prints for events or small businesses. These bags are perfect for eco-conscious buyers. 14. Pearl hairpins. Elegant and minimal. Pearl hair accessories are perfect for brides, fashion lovers, or everyday wear. Use strong metal clips and secure pearls or gems with glue or wire. Sell them in sets or as part of a gift bundle. Salons and bridal boutiques might also want to stock your designs. 15. Shell wind chimes. Wind chimes are peaceful and decorative. Collect driftwood, shells, and twine to create unique, rustic designs that are great for porches, patios, or garden areas. Sell them at home decor expos or on platforms like Folksy or Etsy. 16. T-shirt printing. This business has endless potential. You can use a heat press, sublimation printer, or even iron-on transfers to apply designs to shirts. Create your own original graphics or take custom orders. Niche down, like mom life tees, gamer quotes, or astrology themes, and market to that audience. 17. Crochet toys. Amigurumi, crochet dolls and toys are adorable, collectible, and totally handmade. Start with simple animals, then expand into characters or custom pieces. These are perfect for baby showers, kids, or collectors. Show the behind the scenes on social media to create a connection with your audience. 18. Aesthetic art prints. If you love painting, sketching, or digital art, focus on cozy and dreamy themes like sunsets, coffee mugs, books, city views, or room decor. Sell your art as prints, phone wallpapers, or stickers. You can use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Redbubble. 19th. Baking. If your passion is in the kitchen, why not turn it into profit? Start by offering cookies, brownies, cupcakes, or pastries to your local community. Share your baking process on TikTok or Instagram and take pre-orders for events. Homemade treats will always have a market, especially when they're pretty and delicious. 20. Macrame bags. Macrame is back in style. Use cotton cord and knotting techniques to create beautiful boho-style bags. These are perfect for eco-conscious fashion lovers. Post styling tips with your bags to create content that sells. So there you have it. 20 creative and low-investment business ideas you can start right from home. Whether you love working with wood, thread, paint, or sugar, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, you don't need a huge budget or a team to start a successful business. All it takes is passion, consistency, and a bit of creativity. If one of these ideas stood out to you, comment below and let me know which one you'd try, or if you want a part 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs a little inspiration to start their business journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.